What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO issue. Yung mga unauthorized transactions na nangyayari ngayon sa BDO. So on my side, I would like to also react kasi I've been doing vlogs about BDO. Tapos also may account ako sa BDO since 2018 yun. At 2025 na ngayon. So I have been banking with BDO for 7 years now. Good thing, thanks to God, I never experienced any horrific situation in banking with them. 2018, yung first ever account ko sa kanila, tapos nagsisave ako doon, I've been building my emergency fund at nakasave yun lahat sa BDO. Tapos, 2022, nung nagkaroon na yun ng 100,000. Up to this time actually. Kasi doon nakasave or nakatago yung emergency fund ko. Up to this time, 2025, wala naman nangyayari. Kaya naman siguro magbibigay ako ng tips kung paano mapangalagaan yung account natin sa BDO. I have savings account. At the same time, I have credit cards with BDO. Kaya naman, I would like to share some tips and guides for you to keep your account being protected from scams, something like that, unauthorized transactions. So, yun. Kasi nakikita ko sa Facebook, sinasabi, no to BDO, nakakatakot ka BDO. No OTP, no withdrawal transfer limit, inside job ba? Tapos nakalagay warning. Tapos BDO, 189,000 na ipon na wala ng parang bula, walang OTP, walang notification, inside job ba? Pero bago ako magpatuloy guys, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So unahin ko muna guys yung tips before ako mag-proceed. Kung ikaw ay isa ka sa nagkaroon ng unauthorized transaction sa BDO, keep in mind guys, na kapag wala kang ginawa, like for example, someone is calling you asking for an OTP, like for example, they will offer you to upgrade for a credit card, kasi para daw tumaas yung limit, something ganyan. Tapos yung savings account yun naman, ganyan-ganyan, dami sinasabi. Kapag never nyo silang in-entertain, kasi never tatawag yung bangko guys, ganito ganyan, may darating na 4 digits code, kasi para ma-proceed yung credit card upgrade, tsaka yung pag-claim ng points. That is scam, guys. Never entertain them. Nice kong sabihin sa inyo kasi sinasabi inside job daw. So, I never experienced having unauthorized transactions with the banks. Kaya naman masasabi ko sa inyo is to keep your account being protected from anyone. I say that anyone. Even sa pamilya mo, even sa kapatid mo, sa parents mo, your personal account must be yours. Every details that it has must be kept it to yourself. Never share it to anyone. Kasi not all the time guys, okay ang lahat. I'm sorry it sounds selfish but peace of mind matters. Personal account mo yan eh. So it should be yours. The banking details, the online banking login details rather, lahat-lahat ng details. Kasi yung BDO account natin guys is nakalink sa online banking. Ngayon, kapag may nakakaalam ng ibang login details doon, tapos alam yung nakalink na mobile number doon, ilalagin nila ngayon sa ibang account, sa ibang cellphone rather, sa ibang device. Alam nila yung login details, alam nila yung cellphone mo na kung saan nandun nagpapadala ng OTP, ma-access nila yun guys. Sinasabi no OTP. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko sure kasi from time to time nagtatransact ako ng online transactions, may OTP talagang dumarating sa akin. Kung inside job man siya guys, ganito yung mangyayari. Kapag never ka nag-entertain ng tawag, tapos binigay mo yung OTP, rest assured guys, ibabalik ni BDO yan. Tapos kung nag-entertain ka, may tumawag sa inyo, tapos hiningi yung OTP, binigay mo. Red flag yun. Never mo na makukuha yun. Pero kung talagang nawala lang talaga yung laman ng account ninyo ng bara-bara lang, wala kayong ginawa, never mo shinare sa iba yung login details, yung lahat-lahat, anything, lahat ng details, ng banking details mo sa BDOS, nasa sayo lang, never mo shinare sa kahit kanino man, rest assured guys, good job kasi safe yung account mo. At kapag nagkaroon ng unauthorized transactions din, pag na-report mo yun sa BDO tapos nag-investigate sila at napatunayan na wala kang kasalanan, ibabalik nila yan guys, to be honest. Pero kung napatunayan, tulad doon sa lalaking nag-viral, yung Glenn Cañete ba yun dati? Yung 350,000 yung nawala sa kanya. Upon further investigation ni BDO guys, lumalabas na kapamilya niya lang din yung may gawa. nakita na yung anak niya is nilink, something ganyan, ganun yung story. Tapos ngayon, yun, binabash yung video that time kasi ganito daw, ganito, ganyan. Which is, kapamilya na lang din may kagagawan. Kaya, yun yung problema dyan. Your personal bank account must be protected by yourself. Every details that it has must be kept to yourself. Never share it to anyone. Kahit sa kapatid mo ba yan, kahit sa parents mo yan. Sounds so selfish, but that is the right thing to do. Pag mamay-ari mo yan, it should be yours. So, ito yung sinasabing issue ngayon, guys. Ayan, nakalagay, 189,000 na ipon na wala. So, no to BDO, nakakatakot ka BDO. No OTP, no withdrawal, transfer limit inside Jabba. Post from Jana and Alonzo. BDO, live your life daw. You stole mine. 180,000, gone. No OTP, no warning. So, kung ganito ngayon nangyari, guys, no warning, walang tumawag, ganyan-ganyan. Rest assured, pag nag-investigate si BDO ng further investigation regarding this matter, ibabalik nila to. Marami ng cases na nawalan ng pera, ganyan-ganyan. After a few days, few weeks, nababalik din naman. Imagine losing 189,000 in just minutes. No OTP, no warning, nothing. All my hard-earned money with BDO, gone. How can you say live your life with BDO when you steal the life I work for? That was for my son's surgery. Diba? Surgery for son's surgery. Medyo masakit nga siya. For our needs. Everything gone. How do you expect us to trust you now? So, tulad ng sabi ko, kapag wala namang intervention, wala kang binigay na OTP, ikaw lang nakakaalam ng login details mo, lahat-lahat. Upon further investigation, kapag nasa BDO's end talaga yung may kamalian or yung kasalanan talaga ng BDO system, ibabalik naman nila yan, rest assured. Then nandito nakalagay, ito yung transactions. Hindi to transactions, guys, actually. Nakita ko lang kasi ito sa post. Ito yung existing savings account balance. Ayan, nakalagay Jat, the label, 48.34 na lang. Alonzo, 98 na lang. G savings, ganyan-ganyan. Di ba lahat ng account niya nilimas? Parang something fishy. Kasi, bakit naman lahat? So, I'm sorry ha. Baka what if kasi may kakilala siya, may kapamilya siyang alam yung login details dito sa BDO. At ganun yung nangyari. Tapos nandito may mga text message pa nga, you have a transaction using your BDO online banking for 50,000, if invalid, text ganyan-ganyan, ang dami-dami, ayan, 50,000, 35,200, 10,000, may 10,000, may 4,400. Tapos si BDO naman, guys, is nag-issue ng advisory. Ito, babasahin natin from ABS-CBN News. BDO Unibank released a statement on Tuesday, September 16, 2025, following the viral post of content creator Jana Berenger, who claimed that 189,000 was stolen from her 3 online bank accounts in hacking incident last Monday. Customer advisory. BDO is aware of reports of scams involving unauthorized transactions affecting some of our clients. So, this is for further investigation. Ngayon is September 18. So, September 16, naglabas ng advisory si BDO 2 days ago. Pag napatunayan to, guys, na wala namang kasalanan itong si Miss Jana Berenger, for sure ibabalik yon. Pag napatunayan to, guys, na someone accessed her BDO online account, wala siyang magagawa, guys. Never talaga ito mababalik. Kasi may kasalanan yung end. Tulad nga sabi ko, login details and banking details must be kept to yourself. It should be yours. It should be personal. Tapos yun, inaaway ngayon si BDO, guys. May mga nagko-comment kung ano pinagsasabi. BDO daw, hindi magpakatiwalaan, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos may nag-comment din naman, 15 years ko sa BDO, wala namang ganyan. Malamang yan sa online niya yan. Diba? Pwede. Kasi malay mo yung may access sa BDO online. Wala talaga magagawa. Limas talaga lahat yun, guys. Ganun yun. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!